The fishing cat. A unique hunter of the aquatic world. Imagine a cat that defies all expectations, a creature of the wetlands that hunts with the grace of a heron and the ferocity of a tiger. This is the fishing cat, a unique and captivating feline whose very existence hangs in the balance. As human encroachment threatens its watery domain, we must act now to ensure this extraordinary predator continues to thrive in the intricate tapestry of life. The fishing cat, Prionailurus viverrinus, is an extraordinary feline species known for its remarkable ability to hunt underwater. Unlike most other cats, which are primarily terrestrial hunters, the fishing cat is highly adapted to an aquatic lifestyle. With specialized physical traits and a unique set of behaviors, the fishing cat has earned a reputation as one of nature's most adept and resourceful predators. In this article, we will explore the biology, behavior, habitat, conservation status, and the cultural significance of the fishing cat. We will also delve into the challenges this rare species faces in the wild and discuss the importance of preserving its habitat. 1. Overview of the fishing cat. The fishing cat belongs to the Felidae family, specifically the genus Prionailurus, which also includes species such as the leopard cat and the jungle cat. It is medium-sized and has a stocky build, making it an efficient and powerful swimmer. It is found across South and Southeast Asia, including countries like India, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal, and parts of Southeast Asia such as Thailand, Cambodia, and Vietnam. This species is unique among cats because of its exceptional adaptation to an aquatic environment. Its primary diet consists of fish, but it also hunts amphibians, crustaceans, and even small mammals and birds that venture near water. It is often associated with wetlands, rivers, lakes, and marshes, habitats that provide an abundance of aquatic prey. 2. Physical characteristics and adaptations for aquatic life. The fishing cat's physical attributes are finely tuned for an aquatic lifestyle. Some of the most striking adaptations include: 8. Webbed feet. One of the key adaptations of the fishing cat is the presence of partially webbed feet. While many cats have sharp claws suited for climbing and terrestrial hunting, the fishing cat's claws are adapted for gripping slippery fish. The webbing between its toes allows it to swim more efficiently, moving through the water with relative ease. B. Robust build. The fishing cat is a stocky, muscular cat with a compact body, which helps it to remain buoyant in water. Its dense coat, unlike most cats' fur, provides insulation when submerged and helps it stay warm in cold water. This muscular build also enables the fishing cat to pounce powerfully and quickly, both on land and in water, capturing fish with agility. C. Strong hind legs. The fishing cat has powerful hind legs that allow it to swim strongly. While cats generally have a limber build with relatively weaker back legs, the fishing cat's strong hind legs are an asset when it comes to swimming. The legs provide propulsion, helping the cat glide through water to chase its prey. D. Adapted jaws and teeth. Fishing cats have strong jaws with sharp teeth, perfect for catching fish and other prey. Their teeth are suited for catching slippery aquatic animals, while their jaws allow them to grip onto and hold their prey underwater. E. Thick fur and waterproofing. The fishing cat's fur is short but dense and water-resistant. This adaptation helps keep the cat warm when it is in the water, providing insulation. In addition, the fur's waterproofing capabilities make it more efficient at hunting in wet conditions, as it is less likely to become weighed down by water. 3. Hunting and feeding behavior. The fishing cat's diet primarily consists of fish, and it is an adept fisherman. It hunts by wading through shallow waters, stalking fish, and using its paws to capture them. Sometimes, it dives into the water, using its powerful limbs and sharp claws to snare the fish from below. These cats are also known to use their sharp claws to catch frogs, crabs, and other water-based prey. Fishing cats are solitary hunters and prefer to hunt alone. Unlike other big cats that may rely on stealth and ambush tactics, the fishing cat uses patience and skill in the water. It may spend long hours near riverbanks, waiting for prey to come within reach. Fishing cats are also skilled at using their whiskers and acute sense of hearing to detect movements under the water's surface, enhancing their chances of a successful hunt. The fishing cat's ability to dive underwater and swim with ease also allows it to catch prey that other land-based predators might not be able to reach. This behavior is not only a testament to the cat's physical adaptations but also to its ability to exploit an ecological niche that few other carnivores can match. 4. Habitat and range. Fishing cats are typically found in wetland areas, such as marshes, mangroves, and riverine forests. These habitats provide the ideal conditions for the fishing cat to thrive, offering abundant food sources, such as fish, amphibians, and small mammals. Fishing cats prefer areas with dense vegetation that allows them to camouflage themselves while hunting. The combination of aquatic environments and dense vegetation also provides them with cover from larger predators, such as tigers or crocodiles. The fishing cat is known to be highly territorial and often establishes its home range near these habitats, marking its territory using scent markings from glands located around its face and paws. The species is primarily nocturnal, which means it does most of its hunting and foraging at night when the waters are calmer, and prey species are more active. However, fishing cats may also be active during dawn or dusk. While the species has a broad distribution across South and Southeast Asia, it is largely confined to areas near water. The loss of wetlands and rivers due to human development, such as damming, drainage for agriculture, and pollution, poses a serious threat to the fishing cat's natural habitat. 5. Reproduction and life cycle. Fishing cats are solitary animals, coming together only for mating purposes. After a gestation period of around 60-70 days, the female gives birth to a litter of typically 2 or 3 kittens. The kittens are born blind and helpless but quickly develop their senses as they grow. The mother is the primary caregiver for the young, teaching them how to hunt and survive in their aquatic environment. Kittens are usually weaned at around 8 weeks old and begin to follow their mother on hunting trips by the time they are a few months old. By the age of 6-9 months, the young are independent enough to establish their own territories. Fishing cats generally live between 10 and 12 years in the wild, although their lifespan can be longer in captivity, where they face fewer risks from predators, diseases, and the pressures of the wild environment. 6. Conservation status and threats. The fishing cat is listed as a vulnerable species by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. Several factors have contributed to the decline of the fishing cat population in the wild, including a. Habitat loss. The primary threat to the fishing cat is the destruction and degradation of its natural habitat. Wetlands, rivers, and mangroves are being drained for agriculture, urban development, and industrialization. This reduces the available prey for the fishing cat and limits its ability to find suitable areas to hunt and live. Furthermore, the fragmentation of habitats can isolate populations, making it difficult for them to reproduce and maintain genetic diversity. B. Pollution. Water pollution, particularly from industrial runoff and agricultural chemicals, also affects the fishing cat's environment. The contamination of rivers, lakes, and marshes harms the health of aquatic life, including the fish that make up the bulk of the fishing cat's diet. As the health of prey populations declines, the fishing cat is directly impacted. C. Poaching and hunting. In some regions, the fishing cat is targeted by poachers for its fur and other body parts, which are sold in illegal wildlife markets. In addition, the destruction of wetlands for human settlements and farming can lead to direct conflicts with humans. Farmers, who view the cat as a threat to livestock, may also kill fishing cats or trap them. D. Climate change. Climate change poses an indirect threat to the fishing cat, especially through rising sea levels and altered weather patterns. Many of the fishing cat's wetland habitats are low-lying and are particularly vulnerable to flooding. Shifting rainfall patterns and changes in river flow also affect the availability of prey and suitable hunting grounds for the species. 7. Conservation efforts and protection. Several conservation organizations are working to protect the fishing cat and its habitat. Efforts include a. Habitat protection. Establishing and maintaining protected areas such as wildlife reserves and national parks is essential for the conservation of the fishing cat. These areas safeguard wetlands and riverine ecosystems, ensuring that the cat has access to food and shelter. In India, for example, several reserves, such as the Sundarbans National Park, are home to fishing cats, and conservationists are working to protect these critical habitats. B. Community engagement. Educating local communities about the importance of the fishing cat and its role in the ecosystem is crucial. Local people often view the species as a threat to their livelihoods, so fostering a sense of coexistence can lead to better protection for the species. Wildlife conservation programs that emphasize sustainable agriculture and fishing practices are helping to reduce human-wildlife conflict. C. Research and monitoring. Ongoing research and monitoring of fishing cat populations help conservationists understand their behavior, distribution, and threats. Advances in camera trapping technology, satellite tracking, and genetic studies are providing valuable insights into the movement and habitat use of fishing cats, which can inform better management strategies. D. Legal protection. In many countries, the fishing cat is legally protected, and hunting or trapping the species is prohibited. However, enforcement of these laws can be difficult in remote areas. Strengthening law enforcement and cracking down on illegal poaching and habitat destruction are crucial for the survival of the species. 8. The fishing cat's cultural significance. In some regions, the fishing cat holds cultural and symbolic value. In Bengal, for example, the fishing cat is known as a symbol of resilience and adaptability. Local communities sometimes view the cat as a protector of the wetlands, helping to regulate fish populations and maintain the balance of the ecosystem. In India, the Sundarbans region, which is home to both the fishing cat and the Bengal tiger, is a hub of local folklore and myths. The presence of both these majestic creatures in the same habitat gives the region a unique cultural identity. The fishing cat's relationship with water and wetlands is celebrated in local art, stories, and traditional practices, underscoring the deep connection between the species and the people who live in its environment. 9. Conclusion. The fishing cat is one of nature's most fascinating and specialized predators. Its ability to hunt underwater and thrive in aquatic environments makes it a unique member of the feline family. However, this remarkable species is threatened by habitat loss, pollution, and human-wildlife conflict. Conservation efforts are critical to preserving the fishing cat's natural habitat and ensuring that future generations can continue to marvel at its hunting prowess. Through continued research, habitat protection, and community engagement, we can help secure the future of this enigmatic and important species. The fishing cat is not only a remarkable predator but also an indicator of the health of wetland ecosystems, highlighting the need for greater environmental stewardship and a commitment to protecting the planet's most vulnerable species.